Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back again to Now Max TV. So in this video I'm going to show you the phone tricks that will save your time and simplify your life. So you have your phone, either you are using Android phone, maybe you are using your iOS phone. So this is going to be helping you to understand how your phone can be beneficial and simplify your life by using these 5 phone tricks I'm going to be showing you. If you did not subscribe to this channel Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV. If you have your phone and also want to be watching this video, I'm sure that there's 5 tricks, additional benefits that are going to be helping you to simplify your life, to make everything easier with your phone, because you are going to be also saving your time with your phone as well. Without wasting time, let's get started. I'm going to be using my phone as you see it here, and I'm going to be applying every step. I'm going to be seeing how we can be doing it, but it varies depending on the phone. How we can do this? The first trick is to organize your phone, or to organize your activities, even yourself, with the shared calendars. Maybe in your phone you can check whether you have a notebook, whether you have a calendar. For instance, I have this note. I can use this note as my shared calendar or as my calendar in my phone, or I can use calendar which is normal, and organize my activities. As you see, I have a calendar here. If I want to be setting the activities or the event that I want to be doing, also I have to open this calendar and be able to connect it with the given email that I have, or that I want to be setting the events, the activities on, so that I will get a reminder when the activity is going to be done. Also, let's use a very simple in-made or built-in note, which is the one which exists in most of the phones. If I go to notes, you can see I'm gonna be adding here to do. If I type to do, I'm gonna be adding here, click on adds. So you see they are telling me to add to do item. Let me for instance add watching match. So if it is watching match, this is the act or the activity that I want to be doing at this time. Then I click save. You can see this is my activity that I will be doing. So I have to click here and also be able to see this action. So if you see here now, this is to do activity. It's about watching match. Now I'm going to be setting alerts. Here, this is the activity. As you see, this is a title. Now I click on the set alert so that it will be reminding me when the time is reached. For instance, if I want to be watching match on May 25, 8, 26, you can see it is showing the time and the minutes that I want to be waiting. Also, at this time, it will be sending me a reminder or an alert, which is going to be informing me that I have the activity to be doing at that time. You can see I have it here, and you can see today's time is this now, and it will be able to remind me when the activity is to be done. So this will help you to keep emphasizing on the work you have to do to manage your time and ensure that you are doing everything on time. So another thing is to separate your screen to 2 apps at once. You can separate your screen to 2 apps at once, or to more than 2 apps. For instance, I want to be opening 2 applications. If I want to be opening 2 applications, this is the phone call or the phone application. I'm going to be typing maybe the contact or the phone contacts, and also I have to be opening another application. Maybe it's a LinkedIn. So if I type this one and open the LinkedIn and another one, so you can see this application is open. What I need to do now, I need to be opening here. I need to be clicking here on the down button. You can see the left down or the home screen of your phone on the menu option, and you can come here and you see that I have now 2 applications which I can be able to watch. As you can see, I can be able to manage 2 different applications. I can be able to scroll and go to different applications. Here, for instance, if I click on this one, you can see the application is still open, and if I click again on the the home or the menu option, I can go back to the application without crossing it, which means if you want to be copying the information from one application to another, you can use this way or this method to be able to do that. So the third one is to add new keyboard. Sometimes we can see that we have a keyboard and we feel like we are not satisfied with the keyboard we are having. So if you are not satisfied with the keyboard you are having, either it is possible that the keyboard you are having is short or is small, it have small letters, which is difficult to type. Also, it is not appealing. Also, if you want new keyboard, you can go into Play Store and download the first keyboard you want. For instance, I can go in the Play Store, then I type keyboard. If I type a keyboard, keyboard, if you are using it to a Play Store, you can find it in a Play Store, but if you are using App Store, you can use the App Store to find it. So for instance, if I come here, I can see that this is the keyboard I'm using, which is Google keyboard or Gboard. So what I need to do, I can be able to come here and find classic big keyboard. It all depends on what you want. You can see having 10 millions, and we can be able to see another keyboard suggestions here. What you are going to be liking is the one I'm going to be selecting, install it. If we see maybe it is having some features which are going to be displaying it to you, you can see this one. It always depends on what you want. This is going to be helping you also having the customized keyboard option that will be helping you to fasten your typing typing speed, managing your time, and also be able to send a message as early as possible whenever it is necessary. So another thing is also to be able to take control of your notifications. This is a very important thing and it's going to be simplifying your life. If you are, for instance, attending the meetings, if you are, for instance, having different events and your notification is always disturbing you, maybe you are busy doing the given activities, it is very important. What you need to do, you need to go into your phone and you search for settings. Once you are into the settings of your phone, you can come here and be able to find out this setting. So if I'm in the setting of my phone, I'm gonna be finding the notifications. I come to scroll down. So once I go to the notification center here, I'm going to be using this one. Either whatever phone you are using, check the notifications. Here there are notifications on the lock screens. You can be able to show all the notifications on lock screens, showing alert notifications only when something happens. You can see it depends on what you want. Whatever I want to be choosing is going to be helping you. For instance, allow notifications using and also you choose the notification type, notification management. Also you can be able to manage the notifications in your different applications. This is going to be helping you. For instance, if you want to be turning off the notifications for WhatsApp, or if you want to be also keeping them silent, it's going to be helping you so that no one will be disturbing you from WhatsApp whenever you are busy or concentrated in while you're doing different activities or while you are engaged in different plans or the different styles. So another thing also, which is the last one, is don't disturb mode. Don't disturb mode is very important if you are using your phone and keep it. So how this trick is very important is that whenever you are going to be joining the event, whenever you are going to be somewhere, whenever you want to be also having a busy time, this is going to be helping you so that everyone who will be calling you, you don't get any notification. You don't know either there is no vibrations which is going to be coming. Also, you cannot even get a ringtone which is going to be coming. You cannot even notice whether someone has called you. This is very important if you are mostly in a busy time. If you are in a busy time, and this is going to be helping you. For instance, in my phone, I can come here and scroll down, and you can say I see don't disturb mode. Here I can click here and go into don't disturb mode. It's gonna be helping me to also to limit every disturbances which can be coming and hinder me while I'm going to be also able to do everything that also very amazing. Or also if I want to be if I want to be silent, if I want to be concentrated, is going to be helping me. So thank you for watching this video. Those are 5 also tricks which include organizing your your phone with shared calendar, and also the second one we found is that you have to you can add new keyboard button on your phone. Also, we found that you can separate your screen to two apps at once, or more than two. Also, you can be taking control of your notifications, as you have seen, and also don't disturb mode. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel TV or like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in a comment section. So remember to turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.